Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about JavaScript. Let's learn about it. JavaScript like a special tool for websites. It makes website more interactive and fun. Think of a website like a house. HTML is the base, CSS is the design, and JavaScript is the power that makes things work. It brings the house to life. With JavaScript, websites can react to what you do, update content without reloading, move images and text around, play videos and music, store and get data, connect with other devices and services. It's like having a personal helper that makes your website experience better. Developers use JavaScript to build cool web experiences. It's a powerful tool that makes the web a better place. That's it for today. We hope you now understand what JavaScript is. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more tech content. Thank you.